I have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and I'll be showing you how to use the built-in ruler. So if you want to measure short distances, then there's an ideal ruler inside this phone, and I'll just be showing you how to find it and how to use it. Now the built-in ruler is inside the edge panel. So you need to go first of all and enable the edge panel, and then also enable that panel that has the ruler. Okay, so go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display, tap on that. Under display, scroll down to edge panels, tap on that. And first, make sure edge panels is enabled, because it's only when it's enabled that you'll be able to slide from the edge of your screen to show the edge panel. Okay. Now, with edge panels enabled, go to panels. That's the default panel, apps. So look for the panel called tools. Okay, this one, and add it to the edge panels by selecting it. Now you can go back all the way to the home screen, and now when you pull on the edge panel and slide again, you should see the tools panel. Now on the tools panel, just go to the top right corner. There are three dots there, tap on those and then select ruler. And as you can see, the edge panel turns into a ruler, which you can use to measure short distances. For instance, this battery is about 4.5 centimeters. It's in centimeters by default, but you can tap on that and change to inches. Okay, and that is basically how to use the built-in ruler inside your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thanks for watching and good luck.